Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is Lawgat paper 13 September 2020. अभी रिसेंटली 13 सितंबर 2020 को लॉगैट का जो पेपर हुआ है इसमें हम देखेंगे इसमें कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन आए और इन क्वेश्चंस के सही आंसर क्या थे। शुरू करते हैं इसमें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द सेशन जज कैन पास only death sentence, only 10-year imprisonment, any sentence authorized by law, and death sentence subject to confirmation by High Court, none of the above. इसका सही आंसर है any sentence authorized by law and death sentence subject to confirmation by High Court. Question number 2, the term mens rea means. mens rea का क्या मतलब होता है? इसका लफ्ज़ी मतलब है गिल्टी माइंड। तो इसमें चॉइसेस जो हैं वो कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटेंशन, एक्चुअल इंटेंशन, क्रिमिनल लाइबिलिटी, कॉमन इंटेंशन। तो गिल्टी माइंड से जो ज्यादा हमें सूटेबल इसमें लग रही है चॉइस वो है क्रिमिनल लाइबिलिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, फिक्स पेनल्टी एज राइट ऑफ अल्लाह इज ताजीर हद सियासा बोथ ए एंड बी। तो इसका सही आंसर है हद। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द मजिस्ट्रेट shall make a memorandum at the foot of record of confession to the effect as provided in section dash of the criminal procedure code 1898। इसका सही आंसर है 164 सेक्शन। Question number 5, a public bill when introduced by a private member of English Parliament is called private bill, unofficial bill, individual private bill, या none of them। इसका सही आंसर है individual private bill, but this answer is not confirmed. Question number 6, the Constitution of Pakistan 1956 was abrogated by Ayub Khan, Yahya Khan, Tika Khan, Sikandar Mirza। इसका सही आंसर है सिकंदर मिर्जा। Question number 7, Article 4 of the Constitution cannot be suspended during the proclamation of emergency by the state under Article 233। इसमें हमारे पास चॉइसेस हैं ट्रू, फॉल्स, पार्शियली ट्रू, पार्शियली फॉल्स। तो इसका सही आंसर है फॉल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, concurrent legislative list of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 was omitted by 18th amendment, 18th amendment, 25th amendment, या none of these। तो इसका सही आंसर है 18th amendment। Article 184 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 provides original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction, advisory jurisdiction, या none of the above। तो इसका सही आंसर है original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of Pakistan। Question number 10, punishment of blasphemy as per section 295C of PPC read in the light of Ismail Qureshi versus the government of Pakistan। इसकी हमारे पास चॉइसेस हैं डेथ एंड इम्प्रिजमेंट फॉर लाइफ एंड फाइन, डेथ एंड इम्प्रिजमेंट फॉर लाइफ, डेथ एंड फाइन, नन ऑफ द अबव। तो इसका सही आंसर है डेथ एंड इम्प्रिजमेंट फॉर लाइफ एंड फाइन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, व्हेन कत्ल अम्द इज नॉट लायबल टू किसास। इसमें हमारे पास चॉइसेस हैं व्हेन एन ऑफेंडर इज अ माइनर इंसेन, व्हेन एन ऑफेंडर कॉजेज डेथ ऑफ हिज चाइल्ड और ग्रैंडचाइल्ड, हो लो सो एवर, बोथ ए एंड बी, नन ऑफ दीज। तो इसमें जो सही चॉइस लग रही है वो बोथ ए एंड बी है, लेकिन अगर हम इसे कंसल्ट करें नेट पे तो हमारे पास जो सही आंसर है व्हेन एन ऑफेंडर कॉजेज डेथ ऑफ हिज डेथ और चाइल्ड और ग्रैंडचाइल्ड, हो लो सो एवर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, in financial matter or future obligations other than hudud cases or any special law, number of witnesses required is one man or one woman। तो इसमें सही चॉइस है one man or two women। Question number 13, the word offense is defined by the Pakistan Penal Code 1860 as the act or omission punishable by any law enforceable in Pakistan, a thing punishable by this code, both A and B, none of the above। इसका सही आंसर है the act or omission punishable by any law enforceable in Pakistan। Question number 14, assault means to humiliate somebody, to strike somebody on head, to hurt somebody, to threat, to attack somebody। तो इसका सही आंसर है to threat, to attack somebody। Question number 15, agreement entered into without free consent of a party are valuable at the consent of such party or avoid ab initio may be enforced at the option of such party, both A and C। तो इसका सही आंसर है both A and C। Question number 16, the Limitation Act 1908 was passed on 14th May 1908, 7th August, 2 August, none of the above। तो इसका सही आंसर है 7 August 1908। Question number 17, limitation period to file a revision petition in High Court under section 115 of CPC is 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, none of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर है 90 days. Question number 18. Section 28 of Limitation Act does not extinguish the right in suits, appeal, execution, application, none of the above. Then right answer is suits. Equity emerged to mitigate the drawbacks of common law, to replace common law, to apply customs, all of the above. इसका सही आंसर है to mitigate the drawbacks of common law. Question number 20. Divorce during death, illness is valid, voidable, invalid, both A and B. The correct answer is valid. Question number 21. The first Geneva Convention of 1864 related to the protection of wound of sea, prisoners of war, the wounded and sick combatants, none of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर है the wounded and sick combatants. Question number 22. An order by High Court directing a lower court, tribunal, or public authority to send the record in a given case for review is writ of mandamus, writ of certiorari, writ of quo warranto, none of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर है writ of certiorari. Question number 23. Article 51 of United Nations Charter provides for the system of collective security, the right of self-defense, prohibition of interference in the internal affairs of the states. None of these. The right answer is the right of self-defense. Question number 24. The offense of piracy is subject to the jurisdiction of the flag state, the offender state, the host state, all states. Correct answer is the flag state. Question number 25. Opinio juris means. Opinion juris का लफ्जी मतलब होता है opinion of law, writing of highly qualified jurist, jurisdiction, opinion of well-known jurist, none of the above. तो इसका सही आंसर है opinion of well-known jurists. Question 26. Non-refoulement means do not protect a criminal, do not torture a refugee, do not push back the refugee. None of these. The correct answer is do not push back the refugee. Question 27. Number of temporary members of United Nations Security Council is 8, 10, 12 or 10. Correct answer is 10. Question 28. Zimmi is a non-Muslim visitor of Darul Islam, a permanent resident of Darul Harb, both of the above, none of the above. The correct answer is non-Muslim visitor of Darul Islam. Question 29. Article 39 of the United Nation Charter mentions three grounds for enforcement action, namely breach of peace, act of aggression, and threat to international peace, aggression, genocide, and violation of human rights, crimes against humanity, crime against peace, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Question 30. The early release of prisoners card, bail, pre-release, line, or parole. Correct answer is parole. Question 31. In which of the following an compliance is not a competent witness? Offenses punishable with death, offenses punishable with death, offenses punishable with confiscation of property. None of these. Correct answer is offenses punishable with death. Question 32 dash includes all the proceedings under the CRPC for the collection of evidence conducted by a police officer. Choices: inquiry, investigation, trial. None of these. Correct answer is investigation. Question 33. If withdrawal of prosecution is made after a charge has been framed, the accused shall get acquitted, convicted. Both possibilities are there. None of above. Correct answer is acquitted. Question 34. Trial is a judicial proceeding which ends in conviction, acquittal. Both A and B. None of these. The correct answer is both A and B. Question 35. An advocate in his can advise a violation of any law, can advise to good faith where the law invalid, cannot advise in any case, all of the above. True answer is can advise to good faith where the law invalid. Question 36. Certainment of the court fee is a duty of court, government, litigants, advocate. The correct answer is litigants. Question 37. Amicus curiae literally means One who worked carefully, matter disposed of, friend of the court. None of the above. The correct answer is friend of the court. Question 38. Inter alia means, in addition with other things, the whole statute to be recited in the court of law. None of the above. The correct answer is in addition with other things. Question 39. Debenture is a document issued by a company as an evidence of its registration, goodwill, debt, investment. Correct answer is debt. क्वेश्चन 40 persona non grata means, इसका लफ्जी मतलब है पर्सन नॉट वेलकम, कि एक ऐसा पर्सन जिसे वेलकम ना किया जाए. तो चॉइसेस है हमारे पास, अ पर्सन हु prosecuted by the International Criminal Court, a refugee who possess a threat to national security of a state, both of them, none of the above. The correct answer is both of them. Question 41. This Estrada doctrine relates to delimitation of boundaries, recognition of a state jurisdiction over aliens, none of these. Correct answer is none of these. Question 42. The Pakistan Legal Practitioners and Bar Council rules were formulated in the year 1956, 1962, 1976. None of these. The correct answer is 1976. Question 43. It is the duty of every advocate to uphold the dignity and high standard of his profession, his own dignity and high standard as a member. Both of these, none of these. The correct answer is both of these. Question 44. No person can practice as an advocate of the Supreme Court of Pakistan unless he/she is practicing in respective High Court, is a member of Provincial Bar, is a member of Supreme Court Bar Association. None of these. The correct answer is a member of Supreme Court Bar Association. Question 45. Api just abi remedium refers to the maxim. इसका लफ्जी मतलब है where there is a right, there is a remedy. चॉइसेस है हमारे पास, डिले डिफीट्स इक्विटी, देयर इज नो रॉन्ग विदाउट अ रेमेडी, इक्विटी फॉलोज द लॉ, नन ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर इज देयर इज नो रॉन्ग विदाउट अ रेमेडी. क्वेश्चन 46. अ वारंट ऑफ अरेस्ट इज अ कमांड, must be a written order, signed, sealed and issued by a magistrate, addressed to a police officer. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. Question 47. Classification of comportable offences has been provided under first schedule, second schedule, section 330 of CRPC, section 222 CRPC, and correct answer is second schedule. Question 48. The session court is competent to quit an accused during trial at any stage under CRPC. The correct answer is 265K. Question 49. Warrant is a secret document, private document, public document. None of these. The correct answer is public document. Question 50. Section 84 PPC deals with legal insanity, theft, custody of child. None of these. Correct answer is legal insanity. Question 51. Overruled indicates rule of maximum period, not abiding the rules to declare early judgment are precedent wide. None of these. Correct answer is declare early judgment are precedent wide. Question 52. Rajam is a punishment prescribed for sexual intercourse, unnatural lust, adultery. None of these. The correct answer is adultery. Question 53. Prima facie case means on the first appearance case, which is very important case forced by the parties. None of these. The correct answer is on the first appearance. Question 54. An important characteristics of the American Constitution, it is unitary, it is flexible, it is federal. None of these. Its correct answer is it's federal but not confirmed. Question 55. The US Senate comprises 98 members, 100 members, 102 members. None of these. The correct answer is 100 members. Question 56. Article 3 of French Constitution makes government of its parliamentary mandate incompatible compatible, incompatible, a combination. None of these. Correct answer is a combination, but this answer is not confirmed. Question 57, Kanuni Shahadat Order 1984 is substantive law, procedural law, special law, imperative law. Correct answer is substantive law. Question 58, 9 declaration of a child is dash and evidence admissible, not admissible, partially admissible. None of these. Correct answer is admissible. Question 59, civil matters are decided on the basis of prima facie evidence beyond any reasonable doubt, preponderance of evidence, balance of probability. None of these are correct answers. Preponderance of evidence, balance of probability. Question 16, civil cases, character of any person is generally irrelevant. Irrelevant depends upon discretion of court. None of these the correct answer is irrelevant. Question 61, no one shall benefit from his own wrong. No one shall be condemned unheard. There shall be no punishment without law are examples of legal maxims, legal rules, legal principles, equity. Correct answer is legal maxims. Question 62. The term res judicata means a matter already decided, stay of proceedings, further proceeding, matter pending before the court. The correct answer is matter already decided. Question 63. Under Article 68, evidence a bad character except in reply is admissible. Question 64. Res nullius means res judicata, res sub judice, the honorless thing. None of the above. The correct answer is the honorless thing. Question 65. A person is not competent to testify if he has been convicted by a court for pre-jure given false evidence both A and B. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. Question 66. A fact in issue is a fact asserted by the one and denied by the other party relevant to proceedings necessary to introduce relevant facts. None of these. The correct answer is asserted by the one and denied by the other party. Question 67. Amicus confidendi means इसका लफ्ज़ी मतलब है इंटेंट टू कॉन्फेस. Choices में confession against an enemy with an intention to confess, confidential, confess to magistrate. None of these. सही चॉइस है हमारे पास with an intention to confess. Question 68. Utti artram partam means nobody should be tortured against his will, nobody should be condemned unheard, audience should be respected. Both A and B. The correct answer is nobody shall be condemned unheard. Question 69. 69 question is persona non grata means person of 19th grade or above, person who appears as an agent in dealing with third party, a diplomat who is undesirable and declared as such by a country, an official person. The correct answer is diplomat who is undesirable and declared as such by a country. Question 70, examination chief is the examination of a witness by the party who calls him, the examination the court of law, the examination of witness by opposite party. None of these. Correct answer is the examination of a witness by the party who calls him. Question 71. Evidence may not be presented on facts in issue, facts admitted. Both A and B. None of these. Correct answer is facts admitted. Question 72. Expert means a person who is more skillful, a person who is well qualified and holds recognition of the law, person who is skilled by special study or experience and has adequate knowledge of the subject. None of these. Correct answer is a person who is skilled by special study or experience. Question 73. It is well settled principle and initiated by the Supreme Court are many occasions that the judgment of a larger branch is binding on a smaller mind. This principle is described by the higher courts as judicial norms, judicial practices judicial decorum, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 74. The Federal Shariat Court declared in dash that some provisions of the MFLO 1961 were repugnant to the Islamic injunctions. Frishta case, Ismail Qureshi case, Allah Rakha case, none of the above. The correct answer is Frishta case, but that is not confirmed. Question 75. Constant degree is appealable, not appealable, both of the above, none of the above. Correct answer is not appealable. Question 76. Sale of money for money is called by what the urban surf. The correct answer is by. Example is stock exchange. मनी एक्सचेंजर्स जहाँ हम जाते हैं और किसी भी कंट्री की मनी जो है हम एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं. Question 77. Section dash of CPC deals with the inherent power of the civil code. Answer is 151 section. Question 78. Principles of res sub judice is contained in section 9, section 10, section 12. None of the above. The correct answer is section 10 of CPC. Question 79. When consideration is given at the time of contract, it is called past consideration, present consideration, future consideration. None of the above. The correct answer is present consideration, but this answer is not confirmed. Question 80. Dash is the permanent consideration for the court while deciding the custody of a minor. Welfare of the minor, age of the minor, gender of the minor. None of the above. The correct answer is welfare of the minor. Question 81. Goods under the Sale of Goods Act 1930 include every kind of movable property other than actionable claims and money. Every kind of movable property other than actionable claims and money. Growing grass and crops. Every kind of movable property other than growing grass and crops. None of the above. The correct answer is every kind of movable property other than actionable claims and money. Question 82. Which of the following is not an equitable remedy? Injunction, ratifications, damages, all of the above. The correct answer is damages. Question 83. Who serve as the acting president in the absence of the president of Pakistan? The correct answer among choices is chairman Senate. Question 84. The head of the state in Pakistan is president, prime minister. The correct answer is president. Question 85. According to whom it is the greater happiness of the greatest number that is the measure of right and wrong? It's saying of Jeremy Bentham. Question 86. Acceptance, which purported to introduce any new term and condition, is called counter offer. Question 87. Decree is operative of judgment. Question 88. A civil wrong which does not require the proof of wrongful intention for imposing the penalty is tort of strict liability. Question 89. A Muslim can dispose of his property by will of 1 by 3. Yeah, 1/3. Question 90. As per Section 10 of the Muslim Family Law Ordinance 1961, where no mode of payment of tor is indicated in Nikah-nama, the entire amount of tor shall be. Correct answer is payment on demand. Question 91. When a person is disposed from immovable property without his consent, he can file a suit under Section SRF 1882. Question 92. People have a habit of obedience. This said by John Austin. तो ये Question 93. Doctrine of istihsan is by Hanfi jurisdiction, Shafi jurisdiction, Jambal jurisdiction or none of them. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है हनफी जुरिडिक्शन. तो ये टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन थे, लेकिन जो 7 क्वेश्चन है वो मुझे नहीं मिल सके. तो 93 क्वेश्चन मैंने डिस्कस किए और इनके किसी हद तक जो मुझे सही आंसर लगे मैंने सर्च में वो मैंने आपको बयान कर दिए. उम्मीद है कि इसके ज़रिए से आपको पता चलेगा कि आपने जो अगर अटेम्प्ट किया है तो आपके कितने % आंसर जो है वो किस हद तक सही थे और कितने जो हैं वो आपने जो है वो गेस किया आंसर। और जो लोग जो हैं वो अपीयर होना चाहते हैं उनके लिए भी ये एक एग्जांपल है कि वो इन स्लाइड से क्वेश्चन देख के वो चेक कर सकते हैं अपना जो है वो प्रिपरेशन स्टेटस।